everyone. Now I want to introduce how you want to insert your page number on your documents. So page number can be used to automatically number each page in your document. So page number usually are placed in your document header, which is on bottom, or footer. Footer is mean that which is on the below. So how you want to insert your page number? Firstly, you can see that you can just click on the taskbar, insert tab. Is one option which is page number. So there are many options. So you can just, if you want to place the page number on the top, you can just put on the top. If you want to choose to place on the bottom of the page, you can also choose on the bottom. So now, for example, I choose on top. So I choose which is on the middle. You can see that the page number is shown on the middle, on the bottom of the header. So the pages is arranged consecutively 1, 2, 3, 4. However, if you want to add a cross section on certain page, you can also just do it by the following. So you can just click on it. You can go to the page, click on it. Just click on page layout. You can see that there is a option that is insert page and section break. So we click on it. So this is about the section of the section break. So in this video, I want to show how to change the section of next page. So you can just click on the next page. Okay, so you double click on the header, download it. So you can just insert the page number, and you can click on the format page number, and you choose you want to start at what number. So you can just start at 1. So you click OK. So you can see that it's become 1, 2. So above you can see also like 3, 1, 2. So it's not affect the other part of page number. So you can just change the page number. Depend on you, up to you. You want to change the number of what? It depends on you. So page number is very useful features whenever you are working on business document or any other large or important file. So you can just insert the page number. So it's very you can read very detailed about what page. So it's very useful if you learn to use in Microsoft Word 2013.